Volkswagen Automobile repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Volkswagen Automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Volkswagen Automobile repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Volkswagen manufactures cars that owners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy autos require occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Volkswagen auto repair from experienced professionals, your local auto helper can help. Check engine light. This is a very common problem, usually due to the wrong sensor or a software problem. This is a general warning light that tends to pop up more than other, more specific lights, so it can be confusing for you to determine what the issue is. First, if the check engine light is yellow, this indicates a warning rather than an emergency. Did the light come on while you were driving? Turn off the radio so you can better listen to what's going on. Here are some common culprits for the check engine light. Gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap can trigger this light, so tighten it up. Faulty oxygen sensor. This can be triggered by an emissions issue. Another common culprit. The sensor could be faulty or just clogged with dirt. In any case, it will send out an incorrect reading, triggering the check engine light. Catalytic converter. This device converts carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide, and a faulty converter leads to pollution, while at the same time reducing performance and fuel economy. Get it checked out immediately. Worn spark plugs. These fire up your gasoline engines. They don't need changing very often, but you should get them checked to avoid misfiring. Engine overheating. This is considered an emergency, as an overheating engine can quickly catch on fire. Pull over and check the thermostat. If it's very hot, pop the hood and call a mechanic. Vehicle overheats. Since the VW cooling system only holds a small amount of coolant, it is important to have your vehicle repaired shortly after it shows signs of overheating. Generally, coolant parts should be replaced every 60,000 miles to avoid issues. If your vehicle does overheat, there are a few different possibilities for the cause of the problem. A failing coolant reservoir or radiator can result in pressure issues that prevent coolant from reaching the engine, which then overheats. The engine fan may need a repair or replacement so that air continues to flow properly through the radiator and prevent the vehicle from overheating at low speeds. A defective thermostat that limits the flow of coolant to the radiator is also an option if your engine is overheating. It may also be necessary to check the coolant temperature sensor, if the reading on the sensor is above 190 degrees. However, there is most likely an issue with your thermostat or water pump. Airbag malfunction light. This is a major safety issue and needs to be addressed. This problem also tends to happen as you approach 100,000 miles. If you see this light come on, take it to a repair shop to get the airbag checked. A malfunctioning airbag is a serious safety threat. Also, you could be fined if pulled over and the police officer notices this light illuminated. Oil sludge. Another common issue is when oil sludge builds up, which tends to happen between 70,000 and 90,000 miles. You can prevent this when you follow all manufacturer guidelines on oil changes and the kind of oil used in your car. Make sure you get regular oil changes. Wiring harness shorts. These are problems that seem to happen more with Jettas, usually after hitting about 100,000 miles. Always have electrical problems checked out by a qualified repair shop. Coil failure. Passats in particular have issues with coil failures, which occur around the 75,000 mile mark. Call your qualified European car repair shop, as they typically keep these coils on hand to address this common issue. Source RevolutionMW.com